Okay, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So this is Daily Auto FS Academy. Of course guys, I did a video concerning moving averages, and in that video I showed you guys how you can implement moving average well, and how you can also use it to your own trading style and change and play with it, and don't mess things up around it. Okay, and also I made mention of how the best moving average combination that makes the best out of the market. All right, so this is a couple of moving averages that I used to use, and also I do use it sometimes, but of course right now I don't use moving average. But for beginners and for scalpers, you can use this moving. For day traders, it is all traders choice. Okay, this moving average works just perfectly. And of course I'm doing this with the phone because I know most traders use phone, and not everyone is able to afford a laptop. So if you're using a phone, you can easily use this moving average, and if you're trading with a laptop and other gadgets, you can still implement it the right way. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys the settings on this moving average. All right, don't forget this account is being traded by my EA. Okay, so I'm not the one trading on this, but I'm just using it to actually exercise just this particular topic that I'm explaining today. So I'm going to I'm going to show you guys the settings I use on this moving average. Okay, and if I should go back, it is a very good moving average. So you can still combine it with price action if you're good with uh, resistance and support, demand, supply zones. Is very okay. Okay, you can still support it with all those stuff. It actually goes well with it. Okay, so we are going to head into the settings right now. Just stay with me guys, because this is the best scalping, the best day trading moving average you will ever need in the financial market. Trust me guys on this. So here is our settings, and I'm going to open my settings number one. We can see our 23 moving averages. All right, shift none, close, apply to close. All right, apply to close. And exponential method, exponential. Okay, that is our first moving average done, and our second is moving average 10. All right, so this actually gives this moving average an edge in the market. If you have watched my previous video of how I explained and made you guys understand what is period shift, you can understand that this moving average is very standard for both scalpers and day traders. All right, then if you want to use it for maybe position trader or swing trader, maybe you can maybe increase the numbers around here to your preferred state. Okay, but for this right now, this is the best. Okay, for day trading and scalpers. All right, so you can use it to scalp depending on your time frame you're using anyway. So now I believe you can take some screenshots of these settings. Okay, it's pretty simple. I believe there's nothing to hide, and we can see everything vividly in this video. So I'm going to save, and the last is 200. All right, so this 200 right here is just for getting a clearer view of the market. All right, making us understand where we should be looking out for. All right, so this is to filter the trend more. Okay, more and more. All right, so that's what this 200 moving average is. Okay, so we are going to click save. So here is the best part of it. We are going to see how this moving average works. All right, so for this to be very profitable with this moving average, at least we know and we understand the moving, we understand the rule of the 200 moving average, which actually tells us when and where to look at for sales. All right, so you can scalp with this EA. All right, and you can still day trade with it. All right, so right here we can see some action going on. We need the moving average to be above for a sell and below before we can look out for buys. All right, so when it is above, we need the 23 moving average to cross above the 10 moving average. All right, to give us what is sell. So right here we can see that this 200 moving average is above the market, and what happens next? The 23 moving average crosses below the light or pink color moving average, which is our 10 and the short moving average, you can see that the market fell down very simultaneously. All right, so that is our signal, and you should jump in right there. All right, and here also is another signal, I guess. Okay, the signal did not meet anyway, because this is still below, is not above. Okay, let me check. Okay, I think the signal, yeah, that's it. So this crossed above and this become below. You can see that it actually crossed somewhere around here and still came back, all right, to give us a sell signal. All right, so here is a buy signal, but for the fact that the moving average is below the 200 moving average, is above the candle, all right, we should skip this market. All right, unless you just want to trade aggressively, you don't want to filter your trends out, so maybe you can skip the 200 moving average. Okay, but if you want to follow the rules and maybe make the best and always ride with the trend, the impulsive trend, all right, then I guess you have to actually flow with the 200 moving average. So coming on the buy side, we can see that here, right here, the moving average is now below the market. All right, so we should be looking out for buys and not for sales. So right here, what happens, you can see that I think the moving average crossed around this area. Okay, around this area, which means after this candle closed, the moving average crossed. The 10 now is below the 23, giving us what? A buy signal, right? I think something like that. So, and that's when you buy, because right here we can see that the uh, light blue moving at the 200 moving average is now below the market. So let me still check which. Okay, this is the 10. Okay, the green, good and fine. So our green is now above our what? Slow moving average, which is the 23, and that gives us what? A buy entry. Let's cross check here also. You can see, guys, the entries are very sharp. Okay, the entries are very sharp. So here we have another buy signal, because our moving average is right below the market. All right, that gives us an edge in the market. So where should you put your SL? You can put your SL as the last swing low. Okay, always put yourself at the last swing. Don't over risk. Remember, these are scalping and also day trading. So if you're trading on a higher time frame, also put your SL always at the last low, swing low or swing high, before or after your entry was met. Okay, so that's how you place your SA, and you can target a 1:2, 1:3, depend on the type of trader you are and maybe where you want to set your target. Okay, so here is another good zone. So you can see you actually made something out of this market. Jump in here after this candle has closed. This is a very good signal, boom, and you ride it. This is about 30 pips or 20 pips in the market. This on 5 minutes anyway. So you can see that the moving average, this strategy is the best when it comes to moving average strategies. Okay, and you can see that around here we had a consolidation, and this moving average was ranging in between the 200. So you have to stay away in this kind of market scenarios. And one more thing before I close this video, I have to tell you guys the particular time to use this moving average. All right, the best time to use this moving average that I'm dropping here on the chart is during London and what New York session, depend on the pair you're trading. So if you're trading major pairs, that is Euro USD, pairs that are actually paired with USD, all right, so you must trade this strategy mostly during London and New York sessions. All right, guys, if you want to make the best, because during Asia session you may get some fake outs. All right, you may actually get some fake outs. So that's the best time I use this strategy. That's the best time you can trade and make something, and that's the best volatile time that this strategy will give you a good entry without actually bouncing back to take you out of the market. All right, so with that being said, guys, make sure to click the like, share and subscribe button, and don't forget to comment on the link down below if you have any other thing you actually want me to cover in the future to come, or you need more strategies or more insight. And don't forget, Indeed.fr also, we offer lifetime mentorship, and we also take care of your trainings. All right, so we can get you started right away and equip you with the right knowledge to trade the financial market. So with that being said, see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, click, share, subscribe and comment down below. See you guys. Bye bye.